The first thing you do, the addition, is going to be like a spectacular.
Hello, just ahead in 7 News, new lockdown rules as COVID cases surge. 44 new infections with 25 suburbs now at greatest risk. A police blitz on compliance, the Hollywood stars accused of breaking the rules. Vaccine booths, extra doses for Sydney, and when more Pfizer shots will be available. Quarantine shake up the trial to let vaccinated travellers isolate at home. Also, over 12 stories up, workers saved. Shark Circle in Bondi, the post call for swimmers.
Yeah, let's watch the fire away.
Answer the phone, Zach.
Answer the phone.
Yeah, worse.
Part of Australia. Part of Australia.
Yeah, but every country.
We all have it.
In 2019, which movie won the Oscar for Best Picture? Greenland. Correct. In which South American country is the major city of Cartagena?
We would like to say Argentina.
Go Argentina?
Yeah.
Colombia. Colombia. There we go. This is
And the Dubs are.
122 on the clock with 7 required, and you're done. Restart. Now, the common name for the insect Musca domestica is house wasp. Right, correct. The pylon lookout offers views to which Australian bridge?
Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Correct. Who was the first Australian selected as an NBA All-Star?
With one?
Done that part?
Lauren Jackson?
Yeah.
That's NBA, so not WNBA.
I'm happy with that.
No way.
No way. It's bloody Bergen, I guess.
It's Ben Simmons.
You're kidding. It's
Oh,
the first
Simmons.
one. No one got a sure hit. Embarrassing.
Yeah.
5 wide. And you're
All-Star. A little all-star game where they all play. You get to play defence and
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
just run around and make themselves look good.
I didn't realise he was the first one. Like, you think how many people we got over there? Like Paddy and Billy and
What if I take those 2 questions?
Polynesian. Polynesian. If you say Polynesia, please.
Waiting for a nation.
Oh.
Sorry. You're right. You're in the right neck of the woods here.
Yeah.
But I need a nation. Fiji. 45 on the clock, 2 required, and your time shame restarts now. In powder form, bicarb soda is typically what colour? White. Correct. The US TV show The French Chef was hosted by cook Julia who?
Child.
Hey, that's the same. Oh, there we go.
Yay!
30-second birthday.
Great job here today. Actually, the whole
Keep knocking,
$18,000.
Quichua back.
Unfortunately, I must return to the bank right now. 36 seconds left on the clock.
I couldn't have done any better because those pushbacks I had no idea about. Bad luck then.
Look forward to seeing you next time on The Chase Australia.
44 cases and new restrictions on top of lockdown tonight. It's the surge we were warned about. 25 suburbs on a target list. Exposure soaring and freedom now further away. More people in hospital suffering the illness. Tonight, a man in his 20s is on life support on the worst day of the Delta outbreak so far. Compliance blitz. Police crack down on stay-at-home orders. More clashes over masks. Vaccine booths close to 2 million doses of Pfizer fast-tracked to supercharge the rollout. Help on the way for people struggling with mortgages. The banks offer a concession. Also tonight, shark alarm at Bondi. Predators covered in metres of swimmers. And Ash Barty on the verge of Wimbledon.
surge.
Good evening. It now appears certain Greater Sydney's lockdown will not
Yeah,
end
some people a bit
anytime
risque
soon.
back in the day
Just
when
in the
it's
past
like,
hour,
watch
a new
this
layer
or
of restrictions
bun.
has been added to the stay-at-home order, moved by the Premier to shock people out of COVID complacency. Of today's 44 new cases, a record 27 of them were infectious in the community. This is a live shot now in Fairfield, one of many suburbs listed as a major focus in this outbreak. And the race for contact tracers is tonight exploding, 14,000 people and counting.
A bleak outlook for Sydney with no end in sight.
The message I'm delivering today is quite shocking for a lot of people, but I need everybody to be shocked.
Another record for daily new cases, this outbreak forcing even tougher restrictions.
New South Wales is facing the biggest challenge we have faced since the pandemic started, and I don't say that lightly.
Effective now